First, you have your oil-free eye makeup remover. This stuff is awesome. It helps to remove your eye makeup without pulling on your skin, and that's very key because your eye area is more like tissue paper, where your face is more like cardboard. Your eye area is just more delicate. That's the first place that we show aging. So you like to use something gentle around the eyes. And it's oil-free because your eye area does not have oil glands, so you do not need anything greasy or oily around your eyes that could clog up all those tiny little pores. So we love this stuff. This is one of our best sellers. This is just honestly one of the best eye makeup removers that are out there right now on the market. Then you have your 3-in-1 cleanser, combination to oily, normal to dry, and so those are your first steps that you will put on your tray. This goes in the little spot that says number 1, and this 3-in-1, it moisturizes, cleanses, and tones all in one. It also refines. It has those little scrubby little beads in there. The normal to dry is more of a creamy wash, and it has little pink beads, and then the combination to oily is the clear wash, and it has the little purple beads in it, so it helps just refine the skin just a little bit. Then your next step is your microdermabrasion, and this is where you refine a lot. This stuff is wonderful. This helps to remove just the little top layer of skin with the refine, the step 1 of the microderm. Then with the step 2 of the microderm, you are replenishing. So whenever you take away, you always want to give back to your skin. So this helps to minimize the appearance of scars, it minimizes your pores. This stuff is wonderful. It helps to rejuvenate and make your skin appear more youthful. Then you have your day solution, which now has SPF 35 in it. This stuff is also called our Botox in a bottle because it helps with the fine lines and wrinkles all over our face. With all these products, you always want to apply them in an up and out motion because our pores are V-shaped. So especially with your cleanser, you would like to apply up and out when you're washing your face. That way we're not helping with gravity. Gravity's already pulling our skin down enough. So we like to work up and out to keep our skin nice and tight, and also remind them whenever they're using body products that they also want to pull their skin up, like when they're putting lotion on their legs or on their torso, to always work with your skin up and not in a downward dragging motion. So that's just a little tidbit information there. But yes, this is our Botox in a bottle. We use it during the day. So in the morning time, you would use your cleanser and then your day solution, and then we'll follow up from there. But then we have our night solution. This is called our facelift in a jar. We love this stuff. It's a nice silky serum. It has vitamins in it. They're encapsulated in these tiny little beads, and I like to pass around the bottle so they can always see the little beads. And what's so special about this is that the pump, it bursts the vitamins right when you pump it. So that way you're getting the freshest, most potent vitamins right then. Because a lot of people don't know that after 24 hours, a vitamin's potency completely goes away. Like you're not getting any benefits from that vitamin. So that's what's great about this bottle, is that it bursts them right then, so you're getting them fresh right then. And it goes on at night. Tara has a funny story about a woman that called her and said she thought her product was giving her a headache. She had used half of this bottle in one day. Now, this bottle should last you 4 to 6 months on one person. Of course, you'll go through these products a lot faster in your starter kit because you're going to be doing them on a lot more people more often. But one individual, 4 to 6 months. Now this lady had used half a bottle in one day, and it was giving her a tension headache. So that just goes to show that these products work. We do have the Good Housekeeping stamp of approval. You can learn more about that on your Mary Kay In Touch site. What that means is that we have been proven to tell the truth, pretty much, that all of our products do what they say they're going to do, that there have been studies shown that our products actually work, and anything that our products say they will do, they will do. So that's always fun to mention, that we have the Good Housekeeping stamp of approval. Next, you have your Indulging Eye Gel. You do not have this in your starter kit, just like you don't have your Microderm full-size bottles, but you do have samples. So that's something to invest in. But this is also something to invest in, the Indulging Eye Gel. This has green tea and cucumber extract. We love this stuff. Some women like to put it in their refrigerator, and it just makes it super chilled and cold, but it feels so good when you dab a little bit on if your eyes are puffy or the skin is just kind of red or you're just super tired. Like when I had Ava, I was so tired, and so I'd dab a little bit of this under my eyes, and it would help to reduce the puffiness that was under my eyes. Also, if you have a big old tearful cry session where you've read a sappy book or watched a sad movie, you can just dab a little bit of this on, so toss it in your purse before you go see the next Nicholas Sparks movie. Yeah, love this stuff. It also is wonderful when you're going to the salon to have your eyebrows waxed. You dab a little bit of this on the red skin around your eyebrows and the redness will go away. Wonderful stuff. Then you have your firming eye cream, which is just moisturizer for the eyes. It helps to firm and tone the skin around the eye area. So you like to mention to the women that if they like to use moisturizers, that they need to make sure to have a special moisturizer for around the eye area, because again, remember, the eye area does not produce oil glands. So you have to have a specially formulated eye moisturizer that's different from your regular moisturizer. This stuff is wonderful. It does help to firm that skin up. Remember, it's very delicate. And then of course we have our final step, which is our moisturizer. This completes the process. This seals in everything that you've applied in the morning or in the evening, and it helps to protect throughout the day against everything that you meet. It's kind of like a barrier from everything in the air. It also creates a nice little barrier for your makeup to sit upon. So this stuff is just wonderful. And always remind your oily to combination girls, combination oily, that they too need a moisturizer. It actually helps to combat the oiliness. I know you wouldn't think that, but it does. It helps to complete their skincare system. So everybody needs a moisturizer. And I know that sounds like a lot when you're giving a facial, but also make sure to emphasize that the main products that they're going to be using: cleanser, day solution, moisturizer. 1, 2, 3. At night, cleanser, night solution, moisturizer. 1, 2, 3. They use their Microderm only once a week. If they have oilier skin, they can get away with doing it twice a week, but typically only once a week. So, Microderm Mondays is what I like to suggest. Their eye cream, that would only go on at night because it is thicker. Your Indulging Eye Gel, that's on a need basis. And of course your oil-free eye makeup remover, you definitely want to use that every night, but when you're breaking it down to them, just to make it sound a lot more simple, because it really is. Once they get into the routine, and I'm sure y'all already know from using your products, it's so easy to actually use your skincare.